Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Bitcoin's price action, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Right now, Bitcoin is down 0.62%, sitting at $55,800, but there's a real threat lurking that could drag BTC down to $49,000 or even lower. What's behind this potential crash? Stick around as we break it all down and help you stay one step ahead of the market. Alright, let's get into the details. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at $55,800, but what's really grabbing attention is the likelihood of a drop below $50,000. According to technical and on-chain data, this weekend could be a pivotal moment for BTC. Former BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes is among the experts sounding the alarm. He's already shorting Bitcoin, describing its current price action as heavy, and he believes that BTC is set to fall below $50,000 in the near future. It's a prediction that many traders are watching closely, especially as we approach the weekend, a time when the market can be more volatile due to lower trading volumes. Now, what makes Hayes' prediction even more credible is the overall market sentiment. Bitcoin bulls have been struggling for weeks. Every time they try to push the price higher, they face immediate resistance, and the selling pressure comes in strong. This constant back and forth has drained buyer confidence, while sellers are gaining more control with each failed rally. If we zoom in on Bitcoin's price structure, the technical signs are clear. After Bitcoin broke below the $56,963 support level, we entered a bearish phase. This set up a lower low, confirming the negative outlook. The next key level to watch is $54,676, which is about 2% below where we are right now. If Bitcoin breaches that, it could be a quick slide down to the $50,000 mark, a psychological level that traders will definitely be eyeing. And the technical indicators are backing up this bearish outlook. First, let's look at the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. It failed to reclaim the 50 mean level, which usually signals weakness. A strong RSI would be a good sign for the bulls, but right now, it's pointing toward more downside. Then there's the Awesome Oscillator, which measures market momentum. It's showing a clear lack of upward momentum, reinforcing the idea that Bitcoin could see more selling pressure in the days ahead. Now, if BTC drops below $54,676, we're probably heading straight to $50,000. But that's not the end of the story. The real test will come if Bitcoin drops into the support zone between $43,789 and $41,374. This area acted as a crucial foothold during Bitcoin's previous run to its all-time high of $73,800, so we could see buyers stepping in around this level. But it's not just Arthur Hayes sounding the alarm. Veteran trader Peter Brandt, another big name in the crypto space, has predicted a similar correction. His latest analysis suggests that Bitcoin could drop as low as $46,000. When experts like Brandt and Hayes both point in the same direction, it's worth paying attention. Their combined experience and market knowledge bring a lot of weight to these predictions. Now, beyond the charts, we have on-chain data confirming the bearish signals. According to Glassnode, short-term holders of Bitcoin are deep underwater right now. The market value to realized value, or MVRV, indicator shows that these investors have been buying at higher prices and are currently sitting on heavy losses. Their cost basis is around $62,400. Until Bitcoin gets back above that level, we can expect continued weakness in the market. To make matters worse, we're seeing some significant whale activity. Just in the last 24 hours, market maker Wintermute moved around $32 million worth of Bitcoin onto exchanges like Binance and Bitfinex. Typically, when we see whales transferring large amounts of BTC to exchanges, it means they're preparing to sell. This is another bearish sign that aligns perfectly with the technical and on-chain data. And let's not forget the broader economic factors that are influencing Bitcoin right now. The recent slump in private sector job growth, combined with general uncertainty in the global economy, is adding to the pressure on Bitcoin. When traditional markets are shaky, we often see a correlation with Bitcoin's price action. So, this macroeconomic backdrop could further exacerbate the bearish outlook. Now, I know this all sounds pretty bleak, but there's still a chance for a reversal. If we see a sudden surge in buying pressure that pushes Bitcoin above the $60,000 psychological level, it could ignite a short-term rally. That's the level to watch. If BTC can flip $60,000 into support, we could see a push towards $62,400, and that might bring some much-needed relief to the market. But for now, all signs are pointing toward a bearish continuation. So, stay cautious and keep a close eye on the key support levels we've discussed. That's all for today's analysis, folks. The crypto market is always unpredictable, so make sure you're staying informed and ready for anything. If you enjoyed this breakdown or found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next update. And, as always, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Bitcoin is headed for a crash, or are we due for a surprise bounce back? I'd love to hear your opinions. See you in the next video.